Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN, and on today's recipe we're going to have my easy and delicious candied yams. And if you ever had my candied yams, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients that you will need. You will need 2 40-ounce cans of yams pre-cooked, or you can use the yams that you have to cut up, but I'm using the yams in the can pre-cooked. You're going to need a half of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of Karo corn syrup, the clear kind. You're going to need a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a whole stick of Land O'Lakes butter. And when I get everything ready, I'll be right back. And now I'm melting my butter. You melt your whole stick of butter just like this. Let it melt all the way. Put your fire on a medium heat, not a high heat, because if you do, it's going to burn. And you don't need nothing burning. So continue to melt your butter. Continue to melt your butter. While that's melting, you can go ahead and put your 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract in there. Just like so. Your 2 tablespoons of Karo clear syrup. Just like so. Your cinnamon, your 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon. Your half a cup of brown sugar, just like that. Half a cup of white sugar, just like that. And you just stir it up, mix it up, stir it up. So all of it's melted. Stir it up. So this is going to go on your candy yams. Just like that. Rice melting. Oh, it smells so good. All the flavor and all that. Melted just like that. And when it's melted, I'll be right back. And now I have put my melted cinnamon and all that inside of here. And all you have to do is mix it around so everything gets nice incorporated. Don't mix it around too much because these candy yams are already cooked. So you don't want to tear them up. Okay? Just mix them around long enough for everything to get coated. And mix together. Just like that. Okay? Now what you want to do next is sprinkle some cinnamon on the top of it. And put it in your oven on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And when it's done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious candy yams. It looks tasty. Good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.